The first course is very simple. We're going to use a sticky rice cake, much like you'd make a sushi or like a nigiri roll. We're going to use a short grain US rice. We're going to cook it in a steam cooker, and then that is going to become a cake. We're going to top that with seared scallops, a ponzu sauce, and a black rice mignonette. Now to make the sticky rice, I'm using 1 part rice to 2 parts water. Okay, that's cooking away. We leave it cook natural. So that's called the steam method of cooking. We're going to do the boiling method. Now, one of the rices that intimidates a few people are some of these new and very exotic looking varieties. The one I'm using today is called Black Japonica. I'm just going to bring that to a boil. I'm adding, I know this is going to swell by at least double, so I'm adding, as much rice as I need. And I'm going to simmer that. So what we're going to use is a ponzu sauce. Now, it's not a real ponzu sauce. A real ponzu sauce comes from some parts of Japan where they take a very special fruit called the uzu, and they squeeze fresh uzu juice, which is like a green orange, and they mix it with an organic soy sauce, and that's ponzu. I've North Americanized it. I'm going to add just some good fresh orange juice. You can see, carefully measured again. We're going to add a bit of sugar to help thicken it, and this actually, I'm not measuring, but I know that it's about 4 parts orange juice to 1 part sugar, and then 1 part soy sauce. So this will simmer for a few minutes. Now I've got a sweet, syrupy sauce when this is completed, and I want to freshen it. So I'll finish that with a squeeze of fresh lime and possibly some lime zest once I taste it. And we're going to cook the scallops now. I want a good heat on these scallops. I want them to cook very, very quickly. Here we go. Just going to slice those in half because I want the very, very fast cook time. I'm using a very, very neutral oil. I mean, I see a lot of people cooking with olive oils and whatever. This is neutral. I don't want any taste transfer. I simply want a medium in which to sear the scallops. So a little bit of oil. Now, so what we're going to do, that's nice heat there. You can hear it sizzle. We're going to place these in gently. And they're going to cook for about 30 seconds on one side. Then we're going to turn them for not even 10 seconds. And we're going to deglaze the pan with our ponzu sauce. At this point, you'd like to season your scallops, salt and pepper. I'm not going to. I could add a pinch of pepper, but I don't need the salt because the salt's coming from the soy sauce, if you remember. So these are cooking nicely. I see the color starting to sneak up the side. I know they're almost ready. I see the color shifting from a white to an almost opaque look on the scallops. So I'll start to turn them. Oh yeah, they're perfect.